The pomegranate, which is widely consumed in the Middle East, is gradually becoming more popular due to its numerous benefits. A study published in the magazine Arteriosclerosis has shown that pomegranate extract can prevent and even revert the progressive thickening of your arteries due to fat buildup, which is the #1 cause of heart problems. This fruit has shown that it's able to not only improve blood flow in patients with heart problems, but also reduce swelling and high blood pressure. Furthermore, it can help reduce excessive amounts of triglycerides, which are caused by bad eating habits. A triglyceride level normalization can help avoid heart attacks and other heart problems. Pomegranates protect your cardiovascular health by increasing nitric oxide, which helps improve the functioning of endothelial cells present in the arterial walls. The nitric oxide tells the muscles to relax, increasing blood flow to the arteries and veins. It also reduces lesions on the vein walls, which helps prevent the development of arteriosclerosis. It's considered to be one of the best sources of antioxidants, containing more than even green tea and red wine. These substances play an important role in the reduction of the risk of heart disease. Pomegranate is also a natural antibiotic, and its juice reduces cholesterol, slows aging and osteoporosis, and strengthens our immune system, defending us from tumors and degenerative diseases. For this reason and many others, pomegranate is considered to be a superfruit, and a study at UCLA placed it at the top of the healthiest juices list. Here is how to make your own delicious pomegranate juice. Ingredients: 2 or 3 pomegranates, 12 clean mint leaves, ice, optional. Instructions: start by removing the peel from the pomegranates. Then blend the pulp. When it's well blended without any lumps, add the mint leaves and blend again. If you want to, you can add ice and a lemon wedge. It's important to point out that the pomegranate can interact with a few medications, such as medicines that regulate blood pressure, anticoagulants, blood thinners, and cholesterol medicines. If you're taking any of these medications or have any health problems, talk with your doctor before drinking this juice. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.